Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Bomxin professional hair clippers for men, 3-in-1 cordless beard trimmer electric shavers, T-blade barber clippers and trimmer set. That's features are include. Professional barber set. With cordless hair clippers, detail trimmer and electric razor, zero clearance trimming for detail trimming, great for hair, beard, face, sideburns, and even body hair. Won't pull 3-in-1 multi-function, various hairstyles, gradient, oiled, sculpted, balding, suitable for home haircuts, as well as barber store barber use. LCD display and large capacity battery. Displays basic functions such as battery indicator, oil drip reminder, temperature reminder, and motor speed. Easily keep track of remaining power. Runs for up to 120 minutes on a single charge, eliminating the need for frequent recharging. Charges with USB-C and supports wired, wireless use, so you can shave anytime, anywhere. Low noise and powerful motor. This hair cutter has a heavy-duty motor with 6,000, 6,500, 7,000 RPM, for fast trimming, making it easy to cut even the thickest hair. The noise level of the men's hair clippers is very low, less than 60 decibels, so you can stay away from the noise. Classic dual float shaver. Electric shaver with intelligent dual float shaving heads, thin and smooth foil blade mesh hugs the contours of your face, trims short and thick beards. Thin and smooth foil blade mesh hugs the contours of your face without pulling. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.